Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Jesse's Timber Revival. So today I'm starting a new project or whatever. As you'll see behind me here, we just had a big tree come down at our place and it's cut into roughly about 8-foot lengths. But what I'm going to try to do is make this into usable lumber using many different ways, and each video will be a different way. And I don't know, we're just gonna test different ways to do it to see if we can actually do it. It's gonna be a bit of experimenting and stuff like that, and each different way I'm gonna be rating 3 things out of 10: efficiency, how well the actual board came out, the lumber, and like how much effort I had to put into it. So yeah, it's gonna be good. So today we are starting out with the handsaw. As you can see, we have little chunks here like this. So this is about a 5-inch diameter, but then our biggest chunk here, this is the butt here, this is about 28 by the longest part here. Well, it's about 28 inches in diameter, so a pretty decent log. But yeah, so let's get started here. I'm just gonna do about a 3-foot chunk for this here, because even that, I've never really tried this before, so it's gonna be quite a task. So let's get to it. I am first just gonna start by moving the log over here. Put this guy on top to hold it in place. Pretty solid right there. I'm hoping to make a 2x4 out of this. So see how that goes. first plan is just to make a cut from here, and then we'll probably work on doing the sides using the vise or something to hold it. But here we go. See how it goes. It's actually not going too bad so far, but I can tell that it's going to take a little while, but that's okay. Here we go. Okay, everyone. So we've been going on the log for about 15 minutes so far. It's not going terrible. It's the biggest struggle has been trying to keep her straight. I've had to recorrect a few times. But other than that, we're about I don't know, about 7 inches through the full thing. And then, I don't know. As you can see here, we're probably about, I don't know, good 14 to 16 to here. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna call it a day for today, but just keep going on it tomorrow or whenever. It's another day, so we're gonna just keep trying to see if we can actually get this done today, hopefully. We're about, I don't know, third through the one side. So we finally got done both sides of the both sides of the first cut, I guess. So now we're left with just this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut off the sides right here, and then we're gonna just do this last final strip. Here we go. Okay, so this is what we're left with here. I'm just gonna roll it over and then finish cutting just the bark. Hopefully it's super fast. But like, this is what we had to cut through to get those pieces. So pretty decent things. But here we go. I'm just gonna roll it and then we'll get to doing that other side. Okay, we're finally done cutting this thing. Now I just have to chop her off and we'll see the final product. Here we go. Okay, so this here is the 2x4 that we were able to make out of this log. Now, it is definitely not perfect. Has a little bow, it looks like, in it. But I'm glad I was able to get it accomplished. That is good, because that was a challenge completed, even though I didn't do the whole thing. But if I were to do the whole thing, that would take like a very, very long time. Okay, now for the rating. I would give this, for accuracy, I would give it 5 out of 10. For efficiency, I would give it 1 out of 10. And for the, like, how easy it is for me to do, I would give it 3 out of 10, because that took a lot of work and a lot of time to do that. So overall, this gets a score of 9 out of 30 for using the handsaw to cut a piece of lumber out of a tree. So yeah, thanks for watching, and that was the video. Thanks for seeing me actually complete my challenge. And please subscribe if you haven't, and also please stay tuned and give ideas, comment ideas, what you want to see me try to use to make lumber out of the rest of these logs. And see ya.